Hi, I'm Bill Zittel, President of Lyco Manufacturing. We are now shipping 2 more sous vide lines for packed meat, rice, vegetables, and sauces. Our systems are proven and can handle a wide variety of packages. Here you can see our smaller 12-foot cooking and cooling units for lower capacity, and also our 28-foot cooking and cooling high capacity lines. Sous vide, which means under vacuum in French, refers to the process of vacuum sealing food in a bag, then cooking it to a very precise lower temperature in a water bath for a long period of time. The sous vide industry will be growing at a rate of over 25% in the next 5 years because its products are consistent, ready to heat with minimal preparation, and they taste delicious. Lyco systems can handle a wide variety of packages. Our systems are all first in, first out. The product is submersed in water and gently agitated, resulting in a uniform cooking and cooling. We use hydroflow to ensure 100% uniform treatment and gentle handling while the product conveys through both the heating and cooling zones. As you can see behind me, Lyco offers both cooking and cooling solutions. Product is typically transferred from the heating zone to the cooling zone with a belt transfer conveyor. Lyco systems are much smaller and take up less floor space than traditional belt or tank systems. We also offer CIP systems for sanitation. Our PLC controls are user-friendly with data logging for internal HACCP documentation, and remote access for troubleshooting comes standard. And Lyco has a 2,500 square foot testing facility to help customers develop their own specific sous vide process. So, if you have any sous vide processing equipment needs, please call us at 920-623-4152